some miles around this place. Another day at work. Let's talk actually later of having like a few drinks and a sit around the fire pit, but I'm looking at the weather and the weather is not looking great. Thunder, lightning and rain. Not really ideal fire pit sit around weather. And also everyone was like, everyone was saying, oh yeah, bring your guitar, we've seen that you play guitar. Now I've got a level with you here. Now we can play the guitar, but, and there's a but. When I set out to learn to play guitar, I had a very clear goal in mind. And that goal was to be able to turn up to a party or a barbecue, pick up a guitar and play a tune. And that was it. So I learned about 5 chords, but I learned them very well and I can play them 5 chords in a load of different ways. So for to the untrained ear, I can play guitar really well for a short amount of time. But to the trained ear, like a chateau full of musicians, I'll soon be caught out. This barbecue ain't happening, is it? The barbecue's not happening.
After the group to skip it to next week.
Next week. So I'm just emptying the water cistern for the garden. The new pipe is getting laid on Monday by Matt. I'm just going to make sure it's all empty for him so he can connect the new pipe into the old cistern and he don't get wet because he's a very fragile young man. It's a bit further down than I thought. It's right down there. Right, I need a stick. Yeah, it's too far down. How we did it last time was we got a young boy, and dangled him by his legs. I don't fancy dangling myself down there because I really don't want to fall in. Well, I'll just wait till Matt's here and then we'll sort it out together. I'm not being the one getting dangled this time though. Finally home. Now it's the weekend now and just look at what we've got to look forward to. Absolute torrential rain and thunderstorms again. Oh well. So this is the daily vlog 3. So now obviously I'm not at work for the weekend, it's back to renovation time. So stick with me, I hope you're all still watching. I'm still making them every day. I'm kind of like a day ahead at the moment. Gives me a little bit of time, but so far I'm really enjoying it, actually, to be fair. It's nice just kind of thinking all the time, and you know, my style, I can kind of just plop the camera down, get on with something, so it's not interrupting too much. And I don't know, early days, isn't it? But keep watching, keep enjoying. I'll try and find something to do this weekend that doesn't involve getting wet.